Package accessories: Fujikura 70R Ribbon Fusion Splicer BTR09 battery, DCC18 battery charge cord CT30 Cleaver, HJS02 stripper, ADC18 AC adapter, ACC14 AC cord, ELCT2-20A spare electrodes, pair, FH50-12 fiber holder, USB cable, alcohol dispenser, screwdriver, sleeve loader, splicer carrying strap, quick reference guide, video instruction manual and CC30 transit case with carrying strap splices all known types of fibers. Fiber core alignment. Typical average splice loss for single mode cable with G.652D fiber is only 0.02 dB. Reduced splicing time, 7 seconds only. Heating time, 14 seconds only. Multi-language, include 17 kinds. Language. Reduced splicing time, 7 seconds only. Ribbon Fusion Splicer in the description to get this product today at the best price. Package accessories: Fujikura 70R Ribbon Fusion Splicer BTR09 battery, DCC18 battery charge cord CT30 Cleaver, HJS02 stripper, ADC18 AC adapter, ACC14 AC cord, ELCT2-20A spare electrodes, pair, FH50-12 fiber holder, USB cable, alcohol dispenser, screwdriver, sleeve loader, splicer carrying strap.